coming up for you. This is the only airing of the day because
cool.
we have so few of these. But who doesn't love amazing fresh herbs? Look at how you are going to prepare them in seconds for only $12.95.
All right. So you're not slicing herbs on your mandolin, right? So you just, I mean, honestly, look at how easily I sliced all my rosemary. Carrie, I just actually had one for you to slice if you want to just do it like the normal.
I'm not a chef. I have no.
Exactly.
I'm going to lose a finger.
That's kind of my point.
Break a
like,
nail.
Who's slicing rosemary that way?
Gosh, this smells so
Isn't this amazing?
good.
So this is by Urban Trend. I've never seen anything like it. It's a triple blade system on the bottom. Let me lose. I know, she's still trying.
Is this how they do it on TV?
I mean, give her an A for effort. She tried.
For $12.95, I would like to use the Urban Trend,
I mean, honestly. So Urban Trend was an American Dreams item here at HSN, an American Dreams company. It's a triple blade system on the bottom there. And by the way, the blade pops out. I'll show you how to do that. And it also nicely folds over, so you can actually tuck it over, and look how easily that stores.
Oh, how neat.
So that's really great as well. But it has that triple blade system, and you can use this one of two ways. So let me grab some more rosemary, okay? You can use it with double hands, right? So you can use it just like I'm using it here, or you can grab it right in the middle and use it single-handedly, however you feel comfortable. But that triple blade system actually makes chopping herbs the easiest that you've ever done. Give it a little scoot into the center, and it depends on how much you want them chopped, right? And the problem with herbs is many of us aren't chopping herbs, fresh herbs. We just don't do them anymore, right? We're just not even doing fresh herbs anymore because they're, quite frankly, a pain in the neck to trim and chop. And there you go. It comes with the guard as well. But this has made chopping herbs the easiest I've ever seen. And it has that triple blade system. By the way, dishwasher safe. The blade comes completely out, and you can rinse it if you'd like to do that as well.
Only 2,000 of these to go around for everybody. Like I said, it is the only planned airing of the day because we're anticipating them all to sell out. So someone took what we love, fresh herbs, and made it so easy.
A knife, a chopping block takes you 5-10 minutes with some fresh herbs. And we're not using fresh herbs enough. So there's two ways to use it. I like to use it right here in the middle with a little parsley, and you just give it a couple of scoots into the center as you're slicing it, and you have complete control. So let's say you want to stop there and you want it more of a garnish, or let's say you really want it sliced. You're talking maybe 10, 12, 15 seconds until you have minced parsley. Now, if you were to take that into an electric chopper, guess what would happen? It would become mush, right? Because all of the liquid would spin out of it, and you wouldn't get this sort of beautiful, precise, dry herb that you're looking for. Look at how chopped that parsley is. It's as if you're a chef at a restaurant. So take that parsley or cilantro or rosemary or basil or whatever you're chopping into your beautiful dishes again, because now all you need is the rolling herb slicer.
You know, when you feel it might be the most therapeutic thing I've ever done.
It feels
this is really relaxing, but when you feel the weight of this, when you feel this, this is not a $12.95 herb slicer.
I mean, I would say
this
easily
is
$25.
I was going to say $24.95 is the price that honestly I expected to see. If you love, I mean, you're slicing the rosemary and my mouth is just watering. And I'm thinking to myself, I don't enjoy freshly sliced or prepared herbs nearly enough because you saw why. I tried to prepare them and it didn't go over well.
Right.
And this is so easy.
Most of us aren't getting out our knives and slicing our herbs, right? So here's a little tour of this because you've probably never seen anything like it. It's very safe, so your hands are always away from the blades. You're also getting the guard, which comes included. That's really nice to have. Now, the blade pops out. So when you push that button, you just grab at the top there. This pops out for easy cleaning, also you can run it underneath the dishwasher safe. And then you can just pop that right back into place, and now you're good to go. Now, when you want to store it, you just fold it up and store it, and you can put that, that can store there as well. And when you want to use it, you just pop it back down. So whether you're slicing fresh rosemary, fresh thyme, fresh oregano, fresh basil, whatever it is you're doing in your life or whatever dish you're doing, now you can take away the stress and the fuss and the mess of having to do it with a knife, or even getting out an electric chopper, which all an electric chopper does with your herbs is turn them to mush. Now I have beautifully fresh sliced basil to lighten and brighten and make every single dish more flavorful than the last.
I mean, it's like you're at a restaurant, you know? That's what restaurants do and why their food is so flavorful, because everything is fresh.
They slice their herbs in seconds, right? But as Carrie said, you're not a chef, so it's gonna take you a little bit longer, and therefore then you don't do it. I know a lot of people that don't cook with fresh herbs. When you take the basil and when you take the cilantro and the parsley and you can slice it in just a matter of seconds, you're gonna make these beautiful fresh dishes that you weren't making before. Get back to using fresh. fresh, right?
What an amazing
Get back to using fresh ingredients rather than the powders and
I feel like that's where we all are
the
right
dried
now.
this or the dried that.
Absolutely. And you're eating at home and wanting to save money and maybe eat a little healthier. The way to do that, but still kind of be excited about eating at home and eating healthy, is with fresh, amazing herbs. My mouth is absolutely watering just from the aroma that you cannot get out of a jar.
Well, and
there is nothing to dry.
There's nothing, exactly.
Like
and these are spinach leaves, so you could even take it to do kale or, you know, I mean, really anything. You could do chives, you know, you can even slice onions this way. I'll grab some onions. These are spinach leaves, though, if you like a really, really minced chopped salad, or if you want to add it to a pizza. You know, it's totally up to you. You know, this is just back to getting and doing fresh again, right?
This might be the most fun I've ever had in the kitchen.
It's like a massage.
This is the most therapeutic thing ever, right?
And by the way, you can use it double-handed, so you're using it one hand. That may have felt natural for you, and for many of you, it will feel natural to use it double-handed, and it's okay both ways. But both ways, your hand is completely up and away from the blades. So even the little, you know, teens or, you know, 6, 7, 8, 9-year-olds that want to get to cooking, they can use this now, and they can hear the value of using fresh again and getting those beautiful fresh herbs and spices back into our dishes.
Another great item that you can throw in the dishwasher too.
Absolutely.
Enjoy cooking at home with fresh, amazing herbs, and this is the way to prepare them for $12.95. And of course today, $5 flat shipping. Fill your card and you're only going to pay one $5 charge on everything kitchen and food. Kelly, thank you so much. You are
hanging
back
out,
next
next hour.
We'll see you then. All right, we'll let you know when this has been spoken for. 596102 is your item number for that. All right, let's move right along because we have a brilliant storage solution coming up for you next.